As a homeowner in Lexington, Kentucky, you understand the importance of maintaining and improving your property's value. Whether you're planning to sell in the near future or just want to make your home more enjoyable, one of the most effective ways to boost your home's appeal and worth is through window replacement. While often overlooked, updating your windows can have a substantial impact on both the aesthetic and functional aspects of your home. Let's explore how window replacement can increase your Lexington home's value. Enhanced curb appeal. First impressions matter, and your home's curb appeal plays a critical role in attracting potential buyers. Windows are a key component of the exterior design, and worn out, outdated, or poorly maintained windows can detract from the overall appearance of your home. By replacing old windows with modern, energy-efficient models, you can instantly elevate the look of your home. New windows give your home a fresh, clean appearance, making it more inviting and appealing to buyers or guests. Whether you choose traditional or contemporary styles, updated windows can complement your home's architecture and make it stand out in Lexington's competitive housing market. Energy efficiency and saving. Energy efficiency is one of the top priorities for modern homebuyers, and it's something that significantly impacts the value of your Lexington home. Older windows are typically not as energy efficient as newer models, which can lead to drafts, temperature fluctuations, and higher utility bills. By replacing old windows with energy-efficient options such as double or triple pane glass, low emissivity, low E coatings, and insulated frames, you can reduce your home's heating and cooling costs. These updates not only improve comfort but also make your home more attractive to energy-conscious buyers who are willing to pay a premium for reduced utility expenses. Increased home security. Safety and security are important factors when evaluating a home's value. Older windows, particularly those with single panes or outdated locks, may not provide the level of security that modern windows offer. Newer window designs come with enhanced security features, such as multi-point locking systems and laminated glass, which can make it more difficult for intruders to break in. Replacing old windows with these safer, stronger options can give potential buyers peace of mind, knowing their new home will be more secure. A home with robust security features is always an attractive proposition in the real estate market, which can directly increase its market value. Better natural light and views. The aesthetic appeal of your home goes beyond the exterior. The right windows can dramatically improve the interior ambiance by allowing more natural light to flood the living spaces. In a city like Lexington, where the scenic views of rolling hills and horse farms are a common sight, replacing your windows can help frame these views perfectly. New windows with larger panes or updated framing can maximize the amount of sunlight entering your rooms, creating a brighter, more welcoming atmosphere. This can also make your home feel more spacious and open, enhancing its overall appeal and value. Reduced maintenance costs. Old windows often require frequent repairs, whether it's resealing, repainting, or fixing broken panes. These constant maintenance tasks can add up over time and detract from your home's value. New windows, on the other hand, are designed to require less upkeep. Many modern windows come with features like vinyl frames that resist fading, cracking, and warping, and they require minimal maintenance compared to older wood or aluminum models. When potential buyers see that your home has low-maintenance windows, they may be more inclined to make an offer, knowing they won't need to invest in repairs right away. A higher resale value. Ultimately, window replacement is an investment that can pay off when it's time to sell. Homes with updated, energy-efficient, and attractive windows typically sell faster and for a higher price. In Lexington's real estate market, where buyers are looking for homes that offer comfort, style, and energy savings, newly replaced windows are a desirable feature. Not only will they improve your home's resale value, but they can also make your home more competitive in the market, helping it stand out in a sea of similar properties. Long-term return on investment. While the upfront cost of window replacement may seem daunting, the return on investment, ROI, is typically high. According to numerous studies, homeowners can recoup a significant portion of their window replacement costs through increased property value and energy savings. The investment in new windows will continue to benefit you long after the project is complete, as you enjoy lower utility bills, a more comfortable home, and an enhanced selling price when the time comes to move. Conclusion. Incorporating window replacement into your home improvement plan is a smart and effective way to increase your Lexington home's value. From boosting curb appeal to enhancing energy efficiency, security, and natural light, the benefits of new windows are undeniable. Whether you're looking to sell in the near future or simply want to enjoy a more comfortable and beautiful living space, replacing your windows is an investment that pays off both now and in the long term. So, take the next step toward increasing your home's value and appeal by considering a window replacement project today.